Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Triumph Bonnie Speedmaster 1200. This 1200cc twin cylinder is, this thing is mega powerful, torquey, liquid cooled, fuel injected. This bike is a lot of curb appeal, really cool, black, metallic, and white. It's got a custom saddle, retro handrail, 6-speed transmission. She's a real torque monster. Come on by, make your Triumph Bonnie Speedmaster dreams come true for just $12,499. ABS brakes, LED headlamp. This bike is gorgeous. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time, we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.